street load, Volvo 300EL. All right, let's do it. This one'll be easy. Got power lines on the top of you. Just watch that. In case they took the key or locked the door, I got mine. Usually I got a 2K keys on here, John Deere key, another John Deere key sometimes for dozers, and a Volvo key. I got another ring in there. They got all of these and a Komatsu key and a Kobelco key on it, so I don't have to carry around my big ring of keys, you know. It's got like the normal stuff I normally haul on it, but damn, they need the door open. Take the thing. Cause I ain't about to look for no freaking key. Just use my own, you know.
T-Mobile has it. Right now,
all
T-Mobile
right. That's
Plus, America's fastest 5G home internet.
Cut that off, and that cut that freaking air off. Yeah. Do a little something without that. These guys tore the mirror off. Let's put that over there. Let's go ahead and roll the thumb up. Tuck it down low enough. Against the power line. Smash a window like that. They penetrated that hole. We'll get as close to the trailer as possible before you start the turn. Watch it, make sure ain't no cars coming. Watching for cars. Damn. Do a little trick move right there. Slide the sucker over a little bit. Keep the boom down. Got some lines up there. Actually, 300s are a weird size excavator. They don't tie down usually as good as a 200 would. Abort. So we're going to cut off. Turbo ain't no damn hot. Shut that door. Well, they'll beat up on a damn machine club. Shot game. say? Rest in peace, brother. Inflate, pull apart the brakes. Go ahead and go on up with this. I'm gonna ride on notch 3. Just start it like that. Slide that damn flag out the way. Slip leg up. 1, 2, 3. Good. Airlines. Slip leg up. Gonna cut the pump off. I don't believe in running no freaking pump. You don't have to. Again, these are weird machines to tie down. So they don't, you can't, I mean, you could just use one. I don't know. These longer binders work. There's so many ways y'all can tie down a track hook. With these binders with the hooks, you can go from, if I had a D-ring right here, you can go from there to that D-ring tied down, both sides shooting inward. You can go from the tie down point and under there on the H-frame carriage, come straight over here to cross them. You can go from track to track, cross them. You can pull down like this. I mean, there's a ton of ways you can try to tie down a track hook. You just gotta figure out which one you like the best. I just go, as long as the tracks are good, they look good, they ain't broke, wop, shaking and shit, I'll use a straight from the track every time. But if it's if it's a long haul, I'll go from the carriage, because the carriage don't come loose. The freaking track, over time, me personally, it'll come loose. Again, it's like really your opinion on what you like. 1/2-inch binders is what I use. Everything 1/2-inch, except for like this. All chain throw with a bucket, 3/8. Yeah, that can be a 15, a 5/16, so all I care, you know. Doesn't have to be nothing big for this. It's just holding down the bucket. And honestly, it's just doing, all the goose is doing is the DLT, man. I don't believe it's gonna go nowhere. Put the binder out and come out. Is on that. Flip that over. That crap don't even have to be tight. It just gotta be there. Done deal. Yeah, these my T-bodies ain't nothing but the damn truth. And some of the cat track holes, If you look under the counterweight, sometimes in place you can hook a foundry hook in there. I do that sometimes, like I'm hauling, just hardly ever, a 352 or a 335 that's got wide track pass on or something like that. Just extra, because there's not a lot on them trailers, but that's how I do